Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. In this video, we'll examine the Aqara Smart Wireless D1 switch and see how it is installed, what features it offers, and how it compares to the old classic Aqara wireless switch. Now, this switch is available for around $15 on AliExpress and other Chinese sellers. The box contains instruction manual in Chinese, a pair of screws, additional 3M sticker, and the switch itself. The installation in MiHome is pretty standard. Since this is a Zigbee device, you must select your hub and then go Add New Child Device. Then select the corresponding switch from the list. In our case, that is double rocker wireless D1 switch. The screen will prompt you to press any button and hold it down for 10 seconds until the blue LED blinks 3 times. Apart from MiHome, this switch is also compatible with HomeKit and Aqara Home. After MiHome finds the switch, you can select a room or rename it. The options are standard for this type of device. There are single press, double press, and long press actions for each button, and also left and right button press simultaneously, so you can have a total of 7 different actions assigned. The design of the new D1 switch is pretty similar to the previous Aqara switch model, only now the LEDs are on the buttons instead of below them, and the buttons are not going over the box edge. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.